In this video, I'm sharing you the way I transfer an embroidery pattern to a fabric. First, set your fabric to the embroidery hoop properly. If your fabric has a right or wrong side, make sure wrong side is on top for now. Print your pattern to a paper according to the size of the hoop you are planning to use. Then trim the pattern like this. It will make it easier to attach to the hoop. Place the printed side of the pattern facing the front of the hooped fabric. Secure it to the hoop using couple of regular tapes. For the next part, you will need a light source like a tab or a window, and I'll go with the window. Hold the front end of your embroidery hoop against the light source and start to trace the pattern from back of the hoop. You can use a pencil or a pen for this. If you would like to invest a little bit of money on embroidery, I suggest you to buy a heat erasable fabric marking pen like I do. Now remember, this side will be facing up at the end. After you trace the pattern to the fabric, remove the paper pattern from the hoop. Then remove the fabric from the hoop as well. Like I told you earlier, now this side is going to be on the front. Hoop the fabric again to make sure the design is on the front. Tighten the fabric using the screw and drag the fabric down to make sure it's properly fit. At this point, all is done and you can start with your embroidery now.